Once the algorithm likes you, your video will definitely fly. And for that to happen, you need to consistently post. I'll be sharing 6 useful YouTube growth tips with you. I discovered this after over 3 years of being on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. And I discovered this the hard way. I started implementing it recently and I moved my channel from this to this. So you can see that there is progress. Number 6 is very, very important. I bet you don't want to miss any of it. Make sure you use all YouTube features available to you. If you have up to, I think, 50 subscribers, you'll be able to
Live stream on YouTube.
so use your community post, create shorts,
Create long form
use
videos.
any available features you have. Just make sure you are using them. Make sure you are following and learning from YouTubers on the same niche as you. Niche? Niche. It's niche. Go to their channel, check what they're doing, how they're doing it, and what's making their channel to blow. And then you are going to do the same thing with a twist of you. I'm not saying you should copy them, copy everything they do from A to Z. You are going to copy them with a touch of you. Your uniqueness, your own style, your own everything. You're going to close attention to everything that they're doing, how they're doing it. Once the algorithm likes you, your video will definitely fly. And for that to happen, you need to consistently post. Post consistently. Even me, I am struggling. I am struggling with this. Try as much as possible to be consistent. If we are not posting, why are we here? We are here to create content, so you should be creating content. We should be creating content because that is the reason why we are here. I know it is hard, I know it is difficult, but we can actually do this. So we'll try. Just try. When people start to notice you, when people start watching your videos and they start commenting, you need to be there for them. You need to reply your comments. The big YouTubers are replying comments too. Not to say we that we're still struggling. You will not do what? You will reply your comments. They are doing it, we are going to do it. We're not just doing it because the big YouTubers are doing it, but we're going to do it because it is the right thing. Because people are actually clicking to come and listen to you or to come and learn from you or whatever value they are getting from you. So make sure you are there because they are actually real humans watching your videos. So you should treat them as such. Pay attention to your channel. It is your channel. That is what you should do to it. Pay attention to it. What videos are people liking? What videos or tutorials are people enjoying? What videos or tutorials do people want to see on the channel? What is thriving on your channel? All those little details, pay attention. What are you doing that is working? What is not working? Don't joke with your analytics because those are the places you will know what your channel wants, what your channel needs. I don't want to say this is like the most important one, but it is very, very important. Let me just say this. It is very, 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 very important. Whatever you do, make sure you are original. Make sure you are authentic. Make sure you are unapologetically you. Yes, I know that we are copy. Everybody is doing copy. Yes, you are going to copy with style. You are going to copy being you. Your authenticity, your originality makes you stand out. Your originality will sustain you. You will be able to express yourself and be free doing the things that you do. You will enjoy doing the things that you do because it is coming from you. You are expressing yourself. Bonus tip: trust the process, trust yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. In whatever you do, don't doubt yourself. Make sure you trust the process. If you are still here, and you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and use the subscribe button. And please don't forget to leave your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new content, you will definitely be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, that's like it. And also, let me know if you are a new YouTuber in the comment section, or you just want to start your YouTube channel so that I will go and give you a follow, because we are all about growth. And I am here to support you. Me, I dey reply comments. Try me and see if I will not reply. Make sure you don't miss this video.